Hi fellow hobbyists, Ronald Jimenez here, and I'm back with a follow-up video on what we have uploaded last year, wherein I asked my brother to send me cuttings from the province and have it propagated here in the province of Laguna, and find out if I would be able to propagate it here in spite of the long distance that it traveled. Actually, from the last video, I was able to show you what type of plants my brother was able to send me. There was a cutting which I believe was a black cardinal and Prince of Orange, some syngonium, and some aglonimas of some sorts that were almost dead because of the long duration that it took to get from the province of Bohol going here to the province of Laguna. Actually, it took them around 10 days to get here. That's why I was not that positive enough to believe that I would be able to raise or revive all those plants. But fortunately, I was able to revive a few of those plants, and those are what I'm going to show you on this video. I'm quite excited to show you those plants that has survived because I was not expecting that they would be able to thrive in spite of the conditions that they were in when I first arrived here in Laguna. But I'm very excited to show you how good they are looking now. What I'm going to show you right now are the plants that has survived the voyage from the province going here to our location. Let's start off with the small one. This is one type of aglonema that my brother sent me. Uh, Before it, I received a few stems of this, and now it's looking fairly great, and I'm looking forward to have it propagated soon. Uh, it's not the best of color yet. Another one is the red vein. I mentioned this during the unboxing, and then I was positive that it was a red vein because I have one of these, which is a tiny plant before, and it looks definitely the same plant as I've identified. Okay. Next on the list is the syngonium. Look how pretty it is. I wasn't expecting this to flourish like this. This has uh, withered away a few times, but eventually it bounced back and has survived and flourished. As you can see, it's much beautiful than it was seen the last time during the unboxing. Next is the Aglonema pink lipstick. Remember when during the unboxing there were, I think, a few leaves that were present in the package, and I'm so proud that this was one of those plants that has survived, and pretty grateful that it did. And remember the first plant that I pulled out of the box? I'm proud to show you that here it is. See how big it is now? It has flourished into a mother plant that I'm preparing to be propagated as soon as I convince my wife that this is ready to be to get cuttings out of this plant. Okay. Okay, I do firmly believe that what I'm showing you earlier were amongst those that had the best condition when I first received the package. It was just unfortunate that some of the cuttings were not properly wrapped, and it only goes to show that it was the first time that we did it, and failure is expected. So the next time when you try holding cuttings from the province yourselves, make sure that these are properly wrapped to keep them from withering away, especially during the long days of travel. Okay, would you believe that the experimental plant hole that we did was the pivotal point of boosting our interest in collecting more plants? Now, what I'm going to show you is the extent of what we have collected so far. Since me and my wife share the same interest, we do plant holding together, and we also seek the permission from each other. If ever we're going to buy one, it has to be a mutual decision. Okay, these are our current collections so far. Okay, what I showed you earlier are the majority of our collections that we have bought from our local sellers here in Laguna. And that includes also the plant on my right, which is a Fiddleid compacta that we have bought from Evergreen Canlubang. Not unlike the normal propagation, this is a tissue cultured plant. So, ika nga, susubukan namin kung magka-thrive din siya or maihahalin tulad din siya sa normal propagation na nakasanayan natin na like cuttings and seedlings. So I hope this will be as successful as the other propagations are, and let's see if it does well over the next few months. Okay, that's it for my blog, and if you like the video, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be informed for future videos to come. Thank you and see you soon. Bye.